Done.
Alright.
Yeah, you didn't realize it was recording, did you?
So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put clutches in his bike. Haven't had a chance to ride it yet. It's got a little bit of a slip and stuff in it. But, yeah, so this is just gonna stay in the same video as when we picked the bike up and stuff like that. So, you're gonna see a brand new bike that we just picked up get clutches in it. And he's got them soaking in oil. He's had them soaking in oil overnight. So we'll get those, get them taken care of, get them put in. Yeah, should be good to go. Anything on that?
No.
Let's that's for you.
I saved that one for you, Janice.
Fart right into my butthole, like a fart transplant. Oh God! I just went right down into it. That's pretty rough, ain't it? Okay, so we're gonna drain the oil now.
Yeah, right here. Right there. Ah, motherfucker!
Hey, no cousin.
Oh, that hurt.
Too late now.
My finger's already broke. God damn, that's a long one.
Oh yeah.
Shit, creamy. No.
Dude, you got more oil on the ratchet than you did in.
I am so bad with oil. Okay, listen.
Get off. Take your gloves off. You don't need them. We'll get you some new clean ones. You can restart. Okay. Oh, I gotta pick it up? Well, here, put this.
I was just getting it ready for
I was
you.
gonna say, put the camera over there in the thing if I gotta pick it up. Yeah, we'll just go ahead and put it over here anyway. Come on, this is heavy, come on. Okay, actually, go ahead and go up. Come my way. Yep. Slide it back. Yep. Perfecto.
Hold it right there for.
Stop shaking. It's a 9.
It's a 9. It's not a 9. It's an 8.
I swear mine's a 10. How does this thing work? Come on, take me higher. No, do electric avenue. How high does it go? All the way. This would be good. Are you sure? You haven't even looked at this side yet.
Nope, we gotta go higher.
You going higher?
I don't know.
Oh, he threw the gloves on the backside.
Huh? I'm right here.
No, the other ones. You smell like Febreze. Did you spray Febreze on?
No.
Did you put some deodorant on or something?
I have deodorant, so Old Spice.
No, when did you put it on?
Like this morning.
Did you just do something different? Because now you really smell like Febreze. Did you,
I have not done anything since we've been in the garage.
did you do something before we came to the
No.
garage? Because the whole time you were in my room while we were editing videos, you did not smell like Febreze from across the room.
It smelled like your dog. We don't need to do that yet, do we?
No, you need to take this off.
Oh.
Where's your... Are you just going to throw things around? Okay,
Yep.
hold on. Well, how about we do it
We got one of the magnet things.
Yeah, well, we're going to get one. Because we had one this whole time. But there you go. Put things where they're supposed to. There you go. Yeah, now pull that out. Okay. You got to take this out.
We need that.
Yep. One thing I didn't mention. Oh, geez.
That's not even the right size.
Yeah, where'd you put the...
You took it from me.
I don't think I did. I think I gave it to you.
So hold this, pick the bike up.
You mean to tell me I gave it to you? You said hold this, pick, and I picked...
I picked the bike up.
How
I don't
did...
need this yet.
Okay. You ever seen that video where that guy sets his milk up on the fridge? No. And then gets the glass and then he's like trying to find his milk and it's gone? Because he forgot where he put it? That happens, no, that is a terrible, no, that one's got a broken tooth. But that happens every time that I work on something. I will set the ratchet down and it's gone, just mysteriously gone, vanishes. But knowing you, you set it right there.
That wasn't me.
All right, Shaggy, calm down. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to remove the 6 8mm. You got 6 of them here. We're gonna pull all 6 of those out. Take one out, throw them in the tray. Or you can take them all loose, pull it out together and set them down to where they're back in the same place. It's up to you. Just remember where they go.
Are they all different sizes?
Sometimes. Make sure you're in loosen.
Just do a little bit right there. Take them all out.
Usually you'll have a couple that are real long and a couple that are short, or some that are all the same size. Varies on the bike.
Happened on my calipers the other day. They had 2 different size bolts for the thing.
Remove them all the way.
Or rear ends and cars.
Yep.
Oh!
So you got dowel sticking right here. You got that dowel hung up.
Oh, okay.
And then you got a dowel down here. Make sure that you don't lose those.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to clean the garage floor, man. Look at that thing. Jeez. I don't remember the last time I had these. What are these?
They look like
those are my daughter's fruit snacks.
Yeah.
Fresh fruit. Yep, fruit snacks.
That's the gasket.
Oh, geez, really?
Here we go.
Yeah, they're all the same size, so I don't know why you didn't. When you were picking them up off the floor.
That's the gasket right there, correct?
Yeah, you can reuse it.
Oh, it's not bad.
No.
Okay.
It looks good. It's up to you. Doesn't matter to me. So now, you need a 10mm that I did not say you needed when we started this job. Just so you know. It's over in the toolbox. New project for the daughter. Can't wait to do that one.
And it's 1/2 inch we need, right?
No.
Oh.
Quarter drive. Watch it be an 11. Put it on here.
Oh, so I don't
Make your
know
life easier. It's a spring behind there. Loosen it all the way. Take it all the way. Now do.
Oh, see, there is only 4.
Yeah.
Oh.
Then do this one. Keep them with them. Yeah, just like that. Face them straight up.
That?
Yeah. Yep. Perfect. Nope. Do this one.
Why does it stink?
Smells like burnt clutch.
It reeks. It smells like a burnt water pump.
Yeah, you've never smelled a burnt clutch?
No.
Now you have. It smells almost like natural gas.
It smells like a differential that blew up. Front end.
Smells like, yeah. Smells good. That reminds me of home. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this outer cover off, leave the clutches in,
So that'll be that.
and this here, don't let that fall out either.
bearing.
It's not a big deal. Yeah, it's not a big deal. See how they're stuck together? Yeah, see how it's all stuck?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, your clutches are burnt. Pull them all out as one, it don't matter. Pull them all out. Yeah, pull them all out, it don't matter. Now let's take these off. Yeah, just perfect. That actually can just all sit right there. Now, we're gonna grab a pick, unless actually you can get your pinky in there. Pull out all of these.
The steels?
Steels, fibers, all of them. You can get your finger in here too if you need to rotate it, turn it a little.
Ow!
What are you not thinking? Right here's a better access for your finger. Yep, just pull them all out.
Is that all of them right there?
I don't know, you'll see the back plate. Nope. You got another steel right there, and you got...
Put them on the same way, correct?
It don't matter.
Okay.
These are junk. You're never using these again. They're going right in the trash. Ow. Fuck. You got one. Easy, fella.
I don't have it. It's like stuck on there.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. It's just vacuumed. Or suctioned, sorry. No. Yeah, look.
There are no fibers or anything.
No. You got this one that's burnt to it.
Oh.
See how that is? Completely different from the rest. So whoever put clutches in this bike.
Put the right one in.
No, they just winged it. This one here, I'm assuming they couldn't get out, and they just left it in. Okay, do me a favor, hold this for me. You can grab it then. That's oil. Anyways, so with these here, what you're gonna do is when you open them, you're going to, I never feel them like this. Like I never take it and go side to side. The easiest way is just pinch it like this and pull it. You'll feel a lip, a little tiny lip, and it's a rough side. I always have those facing out. This is his first time ever doing a clutch, so I'm teaching him as well as it's something for you guys as well. I'm gonna put this into 2 separate videos. I'm gonna show you guys on, I'm gonna make 2 separate videos. I'm gonna make one on how to do a clutch, so you won't see a lot of this stuff, but I'm gonna do one on how to change a clutch on a 2001 KX125, and then one's gonna go into our little vlog that we did for buying this bike. Now dip that right in the bag of oil. Just put a little bit of oil on it. It's not gonna be just spinning in there. Just needs oil on it. And then make sure you put the rough side facing out. Yep, that's the rough side. Just line your grooves up. Push it all the way back, grab you another. That easy.
So I did
And
that
you
one.
did that one, so perfect.
Like that.
Not super crucial at this point.
Did that one. Oh yeah, I see right there. So I
That
need
one.
this one.
And a lot of people I've seen do this, I will show you on the next one. I've seen a lot of people do this, and they come to me and they're like, my clutch isn't working, it's messed up. I just put a new clutch in, and this is a huge thing that I see a lot of people mess up on. It's actually a really common thing, but you're gonna look at it and you're gonna be like, what an idiot, how do you do that? But it's actually a very common thing, and a lot of people have done this on accident. See how there's an eye or an ear here? Mm-hmm. See how you're out this far now? Mm-hmm. Go to put it in there. Like you're gonna put it in wrong.
Like this?
Yep. A lot of people take it and put it in like that. My CR actually, these are cut out a lot more, so you can do it incorrect.
Oh really?
Yeah. So I've seen YFZs and stuff like that you can do it on. So just always be prepared for that. And then what you're gonna do now is we're gonna grab all these steel fibers off of this. Put your hub on. Now
That bearing needs to be put in.
it'll go right in the shaft. But I'm gonna show you something too in case this doesn't do it. Okay. So here's another issue that a lot of people do. See how you put this in? It's oriented to go a certain way. See how it's not against?
Oh yeah. Okay.
See right here, look.
Yeah.
See the gap?
Yep.
So what you'll do is you'll take it out. It'll find home. Just turn it, rotate it. See how it went in that time? Now you're in home.
It's just like a normal car clutch.
Yep.
Okay.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our springs. Put your springs in.
Just throw it from the bottom up.
That's a lot.
Okay.
But that's okay.
It came out on its own.
Yeah, I cut it so it comes out fast.
I need a ratchet here. Just my gloves are oily.
Okay. Well, you put them in and I'll
Okay.
tighten them out a little bit. I just want to make sure they're started before we run them in with the...
Try not to.
That's alright. No, just take it. Yeah, there you go.
The Torque Master 3000.
There you go.
How many Ugga-Duggas is this?
It's 8.8 and it's not going to click. It's going to light up.
Okay.
Hold on. We're going to have to...
Kick her into gear.
You're it. There you go. Hold on. Watch that. There you go. It's in gear.
Oh, do I have to wait for that?
Yep, yep.
Okay.
I'm going to have to hold it.
Okay.
I got a clutch tool to hold it, but perfect.
It's not very tight.
It's plenty tight. You got leverage. .8 inch-pounds is a lot on something like this. Okay.
I gotta go around and do it again?
Nope.
Okay.
That's good. Just the one time. That's plenty. So what we're gonna do is just gonna wipe off our mating surface, get all this oil out, and then we're gonna re-put the cover on.
Okay.
Yeah. Make sure your dowel's lined up. You got a dowel there.
Is that one? And that one's on there. Do these need a torque spec as well?
I do them by hand.
Okay.
I have a pretty good feel from all the stuff that I've done that I do them by hand, but if you have not done this, look up the torque specs. But I've done so many of them, and I've done so much stuff with 8mm that it's...
Is it Ugga Dugga Master?
Well, this exact ratchet for so much stuff, so many...
I can only get my fingers in there so far with that one.
Fingers out of the way. It's so hard to record and do it at the same time.
I can do that. That doesn't need a star pattern either?
No, it's not important.
Okay.
You can feel how tight I made them.
Oh, okay, they're pretty stiff.
So now we're gonna go back to this. Put this on.
My kickstand.
We need to put this in. That needs to go on the inside of the spring there. My kickstand, is that what you just said?
Hold on, hold on.
And the spring gets it.
Can't be beat. What am I doing there? Okay.
Well, you gotta go down here.
Oh, that makes more sense. I was like, it wasn't this hard to get off.
Okay, here's this. You can do it. Oh my god, the non-mechanic ordeal. I know everybody that's watching this video right now that's a mechanic or has grown up doing mechanical stuff is like, God, get out of the way, I want to get my hands in there and just do it because you're taking forever, even though you're not taking any longer than what normal people will. But like me right now, I'm already like trying to hand you stuff to get it in. Like, it's just a stupidity thing that we do. Don't forget your spring, your washer, and then your cutter.
Washer. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see? Yeah.
I didn't see it.
Yeah, I have it memorized.
Come on, get it.
It is. I got it. Do what you want. Don't pour it fast.
Like that?
Yeah, that's fine.
Faster, faster, slower, slower.
Oh, I forgot I was supposed to be watching. How does it feel to put your first clutch in?
Extraordinary. Something I'll never experience again.
It's a once in a lifetime opportunity. You ride a 2-stroke 125, bud, you're gonna be in there more times than you are your old lady. But anyways, so now what we're going to do is we're going to
Take it out of gear, maybe?
it don't matter, I'm just turning it slow. So fill the sight glass to half. I just turned the clutch, or the basket by turning it by hand so it went down. So what we're going to do, that's it for you guys on the clutch replacement video. We're done with that, so no need to show any more of that. But for the rest of you guys that are watching the vlog series on this and the vlog that we're doing, get over to that because we gotta drain the gas out of it and stuff like that. We're gonna fire it up. We're gonna throw some Klotz Super Technoplate in with some 93 for now. We're gonna settle with 110 later, but we're just gonna run some 93 in it right now. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in watching that video, watch that. If not, thanks for watching the clutch series. It was fun doing it with John. But anyways, like always, keep on ripping.